point of this video is to educate you on how to replace a breaker and why you should be doing it. We've noticed that some people who have a bad breaker want to change it to the next size up, which is not appropriate. The main thing you would have to focus on is the size gauge of the wire that is entering the breaker. So this is a 15 amp breaker here, and if this breaker was no longer working, you don't take it out and stick a 20 in there because the wire may not be the right size. This is a 14 gauge wire, which is good for 15 amps, and you can check that with a Klein tool, or they make other ones that would be appropriate. Pull this thing out, and you can slide it through the slot and check it to make sure it's the proper size. And if it's no longer working, you obviously need to turn the power off before you get started, just to the breaker. That shuts off power going to the screw terminal. And here's a brand new breaker. And it goes. You make sure it sits in there properly. Off and on. Thank you. James, E4 Electric.